Let's go. Sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry. With me, Talita Ndiba.
Zukondima is the name. Idayan on the Ryan. On the not so run.
I didn't want to say anything. I was like, your quick mouth.
No, it has to be said. I mean.
No, of course. Welcome back, guys. This is episode 99.
Oh, yeah?
And you know what happens after 99?
You've then experienced all your problems because only got 99 problems.
That was so quick. Wow. On your feet there, sir.
Absolutely.
You're wearing a Sanlam t-shirt. Can't help but look at that.
Oh, okay.
Funny
Stunning color, innit?
It is. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, beautiful.
It's funny how we both wear
beautiful.
sports t-shirts there.
Yeah, no, 100%. And only one of us participates in the sport of the t-shirt that we are wearing.
Well, not last week.
Did you play footy last week?
No, you.
Oh, come on.
Footy. Oh my God.
Footy. It's footy, bro.
I used to play soccer in primary school.
Oh, really? Banyana. Chunia.
Yeah. That was so much fun. But obviously they just let me practice with them. Obviously, I wasn't playing games.
Oh, why not?
Because I was the only girl.
Well, clearly you were playing games if they didn't. Oh, it wasn't like a girls' team at school.
I mean, this was the 90s, right?
Okay.
But I played cricket in high school.
Mm-hmm.
And there was a girls' team.
What else did you play?
Swimming, tennis.
You played
hockey.
swimming, yeah?
Tennis, hockey, cricket.
None of which you now play as an adult.
I don't play anything.
Socially. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Or you played all these sports and you're just like, nah. Even now, I'll be now land about
I'd love to play tennis again.
Oh, then you can play paddle.
Oh no! Did I say tennis?
In paddle, it's like it's either you are for it or you are completely against it. Like no one really sits on the fence when it comes to paddle. It's so funny.
I've played paddle a couple of times, and it's cool for your heart to pump.
Yeah,
but I don't find it fun.
You don't find it fun?
No,
I find it fun. I just don't find it as technically challenging as tennis.
I guess that's the whole point. It's like everyone can play.
Yes.
But also ndithanda udlala nabantu abakwaziyo udlala. Yaqonda show me?
Baninzi abantu bakwaziyo.
Kaloku abantu ndandlala ngabo ningamameli nani nabantu ndandlala.
You were there for a social exercise. You weren't there for a competition.
Yeah, because I'm competitive. I want to be like, ooh, next week I want to beat Ubani.
Oh, maspoke.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what?
Oh, we could play tennis. There's a tennis court right outside your house.
Okay.
And we've done it before.
Yeah, you see, this is the thing.
Yeah, but your paddle is also outside. Okay, are you saying, Bawena, you a worthy opponent?
Yeah. What?
What? I don't know. I've never seen you play.
Yeah. I am a worthy opponent.
Okay.
Yeah. Ilola money pedal man man. I also played like twice or once.
Oh,
I was like, yeah, Ilola lewe man, Ilola lewe. So yes, some of them. So it was a mixture. It was a group. Some because udlala not so much. Yeah.
So I get the fact that it's a social thing, but so anyone can play, but different league, we can move up on a ladder, something.
Oh, athletic who run like tournaments.
Oh, really?
But, yeah, it's something. Cool. It's called APP, I think.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to climb.
That'd be cool. That'd be really, really cool. It's nice to play competitive sports. So 100%,
especially when you used to. I mean, the only kind of sport I've played is competitive sport.
Fair.
Yeah, so it's like it was weird to just play for fun. Yes, the fun happens.
Yes.
But nje bani, nobang bani,
Yeah.
oh.
Yeah,
it's weird. So tell us about your sport.
My sport.
Yeah.
My running sport.
Yeah.
Often massive disappointments. But I mean, it's the nature of the game. You know what I mean?
Is it though?
It is. It absolutely is.
I feel like the nature of the game is something that happens a lot. If it doesn't happen a lot,
Correct, but yeah, it will happen sometimes. Yeah, fair. It's like it's an anomaly, right?
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
But at the end of the day, you know? And what can you do besides accept? But hey, okay, I sure kwenzekile. Because my whole thing is just like everyone wanted this thing to go. Everyone wanted this thing to go
happen.
Like everyone wanted it to happen. And I'm just like, from sponsors to organizers to whoever, to runners, to, you know, people that were supporting, everyone was on the side of the race.
Yeah.
So it was just unfortunate.
So where were you when you got the message?
I was in bed.
People were halfway through their joust.
I was in bed because I had a tough night the night before. And they asked nerves. And they ran it time in 11.
I have a jogging tummy.
I had a walking tummy the night before. And the husband became and then I was up, and then I was in the bathroom. This is like 11, past 11.
What time did you go to bed?
I tried to go to bed like 9:30, I think. 10. Tried to go to bed at 10. But yeah, I was just, and yeah, man, and I don't usually get like that. But yeah, I was just feeling some type of way. Yeah, tossing and turning, and then I woke up past 11. I was like, I went to the loo, then tried to sleep again.
Okay.
And that was fine. I call alarm of 5. Because my start, I was 2 kilometers from race start. I was staying 2 kilometers from the start of the race. So I was just like, I want to warm up here on the way to the race. So I was just like, I'll get up at 5. Because my indoyam is that from I'm getting out of bed to leaving the house, it takes me 30 minutes. Right? So I was just like, I'm going to wake up at 5, 5:30. I'm leaving the house. I get to race start maybe after 30 minutes. If I do a really slow jog, 30 minutes, I'll get to the race start, and that would have been 6:10. And then we ran at 20 to 7. My time was 20 to 7. So I was just like, cool, ya kali alarm. Like kali alarm. The Nazi alarm. As soon as the alarm, I get a call from a base. Base is like, Buddha, what's happening? Was this a
was
bad
based
dream?
in Cape Town as well?
He was running. And he's like, what's happening, bro? The dizzy, bro. Like, kwenzeka ntoni? Because now I'm just like,
because you don't know what's going on.
So I was just like, yo, dog, what's happening? He was like, no, for an announcement on Instagram. Is it real? What? The announcement, yeah, no. Cancel she will away. Did they? I'm going to call you back. As soon as I drop the call, kungeni WhatsApp from race organizers, sit down channel. Asiseko on na, see off. And I was just like, whoa. So I'm obviously going through socials, looking at her. I'm just like, yeah, no, yenzeka. So then I just stayed up. Told that's off your phone. Can't even tini. I didn't. Phone ikona la disbelief phone.
But indeed, I was playing a prank.
Oh, so I metal. So I was just like, yo. So I was sitting on the couch just trying to see what's up. I was like, oh, okay, cool. Oh well. At least I hadn't gelled. I hadn't taken all the necessary things.
Someone was like, Daddy, get 8 slices of bread. It is on TV.
Amanye want banana, ne oats, ne zonga, ne creme blockers. Yeah. Chong, I be film. It was
My
a movie.
heart broke. And you know what? I was like, should I call you? Then I was like, I'm going to call you and say, oh, I heard. And then, how do you feel? You feel like nonsense, obviously.
Yeah.
And then I was like, but now, like the conversation I had in my head about it was intense.
All by yourself.
All by myself. Then I was like, one of my friends who usually runs it, but she wasn't running this time.
What time?
It's like 10 to 7.
Okay.
And then I was like, okay, but then Usuko doesn't like being fast over. But I'm like, is this a fasting? But then I was like, would I appreciate somebody asking me how I feel about something that's got such an obvious feeling attached to it? Firstly, being disappointment. And then secondly, whatever happens after that, I'm pissed off or whatever it is. And then I was like, okay, Manding, I'm phoning. Also, everyone's going to call him and he's going to annoy him. And then I'm like, oh, but then does it seem like I care if I don't call him? Oh.
Or end up still send a message by hard in one.
Yes, on the family group also.
After I sent the announcement.
Yes, after you sent the announcement. And then I was just like, you know what?
Safe.
Hard dog. And I would hate it if people asked me how I'm feeling, honestly.
Yeah, no, mixed feelings. It was a mixed bag.
Mixed grill.
Disappointment, the little bit, small 1% of relief.
I'm sure something that's alright.
It wasn't meant to be. Because you're eager. But the relief came in the point when I'm hey, it's Malendo. But this thing, bruv, Nangam is like the first time every time. You know? So it's such a big mental thing. And I was just like, but this sucks. Like, this just completely sucks. 2 million rands later.
This is another thing. Now there's money spent.
Yeah, I understand. And now you're just like, but I was also just like, wow, hey, men can plan for me, but God decides for me. That is fine.
God looks at your plans and laughs.
Sindile kodwa la sub 4 awusindile ave ndizamhanda yena showcase yobe ndizamhanda ave ndizamhanda la sub 4. So okay, if anyone asks me what's my fastest marathon, sub 4. Not my fault, but
marathon.
Absolutely.
That's what you planned for.
Absolutely. I planned for, bro. Even my pacing band. So they've got these pacing bands that they write the times 5 kilometer mark. This, if you are aiming to come, this is where you should be. At 5 kilometers, this is the time. 10 kilometers, this is the time. Yeah, only the and a pacing band from the night before. And I chonga funny. That's okay. Okay, 5 kilometers, 28 minutes. Okay, that's doable. 10 kilometers, 156. 20 kilometers, 156. This is doable, Zubela. You understand? Check. Then I usually take like 3 pacing bands.
Why?
A desired pace. And then
actual pace.
I'm one move behind when you la pacing band. Shaking this thing. It was one and only. Yeah, even one and only. Yeah, man. Yeah, what
this is the thing though. It takes such a long, like you psych yourself up. Yeah. Like, and you were there since like Wednesday. So you're there. And now it's in your mind. It's in the back of your mind the whole time. But okay, right. There are people who were doing it for the first time.
Yeah, shame. Those are the people that I felt the most for, man. I mean, it's a disappointment for everyone, but to the guys who are going to run for the first time, I'll go win with it. I'll go win. And you get 2 people there. You get the person that's just like, yes, and other people are just like, oh, man. But you know what? There's no such thing as a waste of fitness, guys. That's one thing. We've learned a lot through this training block, like you would any other training block.
Yeah.
We've gained a lot. There's a lot, of gain on the other side of that. So,
but I can imagine how, if this was your first time, how much more you've actually had to psych yourself up for your first time. Because there are people who run, but they've never run marathons.
Yeah.
Like, one of the ladies that you had here, who's one of your coach's wife.
Yeah. One of my oh yes, sir. So just say one of my coach's wives. Yes, that's what you said.
That's what I said.
Yes, he's only got one wife, by the way. In case anyone gets confused like me.
I mean, she's run for long, right? And she's a seasoned runner. She knows what she's doing. I mean, she's married to a running coach. And it took her long to get to this place where to say, okay, mandenze a marathon.
Yes, correct.
Now I wonder what that does to somebody's psyche when it doesn't happen. Are you going to actually try it again? It's a sign.
I sign for yeah. So let me show you about there's two types of people in those situations. So yeah, man, horrid shame, man.
But also, people were obviously going to use this as a qualifying run for comrades as well.
There's still plenty though. There's still plenty of qualifying runs. I get one thing. I mean, comrades, the last qualifier is probably what, 1st of May.
Oh, that's what I wanted to ask you. When is the last one?
Yeah, I think the last one is like 1st of May. So it's still plenty of running that needs to happen in that. So that should be fine. Just said Kapa, Coastal, PP, season, you know, all of those things. So.
Yeah, 24,000 people.
Yeah.
And they said no.
Yeah.
Well, damn. I don't know how I deal with that disappointment, but I got dealing. You literally have to keep it moving.
You just keep it moving, bro.
So what did you end up doing on the Sunday?
After tears. Yeah, no, we went to the dunes. We were just like, let's make a day of it. Went to the dunes, hung out at the dunes, came back after tears. So it's just, and then we just did Cape Town from then. Yeah, we just did Cape Town.
Was there a lot of people doing after tears?
Oh, because everyone is there.
Yeah, for sure. And
besides the people that decided they're going to fly out on Sunday, I mean on Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening. But yeah, everyone was still there. This is the whole thing. Everyone is still there. Now we have to be human. Yeah, so...
How are you feeling?
You've been talking about how you're feeling the whole day. Now, late. Now you have to, oh yeah, so what do you do? I found out what people do, like as jobs. Because now we had to actually people.
Because you can talk about the race the whole time.
Yes. And that was one thing I was just like, yeah, non-runners are grateful because now there's no race to talk about.
Hey, where you? I said to you, I'm so grateful. I come medal Monday.
Yeah, I understand. So, okay. Yeah, we really got a chance to be actually human. So, yeah, that was really, really cool.
Hey, had it, bruh.
Yeah, no, it happens.
Yeah, well, it sucks still.
Yeah. No, definitely.
No, 100%.
Yeah, no, it sucks.
But as the board says, no feeling is final.
Okay. Okay. Tell me more.
Well, Dave wrote this.
Fair. Can I tell you what I think of it?
Yes, thank you.
I think too often we tend to, when we feel a certain way about something, no matter what it is, positive feeling, negative feeling, whatever the case may be, something either happens, we either get new information or whatever. We get so stuck in, no, but this is what I felt about this thing. And you continue with that feeling, even though it won't even necessarily help you. And then you stick to your guns because you feel like, I can't change this because it changes who I am. I've already said to Ban, this is how I feel about this thing. When you don't necessarily even have to. And I think considering, so looking at the statement for me, it's like no feeling is final. It's okay to feel any type of way about something, but it's also okay to be able to change
how you feel about
it, or to accept when your feelings change.
100%. Because your feelings will ultimately always change. Like
your feelings change.
Yeah, your feelings do change, and you start feeling better.
Yeah.
That's a change of feeling.
Yeah.
Or you start feeling worse. That's a change of feeling. But there's no feeling that sticks around forever.
Yeah. Yeah.
What about grief?
I mean, it changes over time.
I guess.
Changes
in intensity.
Yes, correct. It still feels a certain type of way, but change along the way over time. And I guess for me, it's also about with feelings in general is to be able to kind of move with the feeling, because different feelings demand or require us to be different ways about things. So to also move with the feeling. We want by transition feeling now, transition in terms of how you are acting and how you are, trying to whatever soothe that fear or that feeling or whatever the case may be. So I think it's about accepting that change and moving with that change as well. That definitely brings something to it.
Yeah, because it's very easy to get stuck in what your initial feeling was about something.
Ndiyamthanda. Buddha uyakugqekeza every day. Feeling iyatshintsha. So just because when at that moment we feel there's other things that you're feeling that you need to pay cognizance to, that pour into that or either take away from that. So I think definitely something to consider.
Disappointment, fear, all those things that come with being treated badly.
Yeah.
And then the one thing you're going to hold on to is that uyamthanda.
Yeah.
Which is fair, but are you ignoring all the other
100%,
feelings?
100%. And ezinye izinto, just because you feared it 10 years ago, but you don't necessarily fear it now, but it's still in your head when about the feeling. Feelings change. Feelings change. So okay, you know way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Andinokubuza uba injani iveki yakho.
Yeah, it was long, man. It was long.
It was long, yeah.
You're on the telephone for what seems like a lifetime. Can't pin and say, why? 6:15. What? Because I was up early. Oh. So time was crawling. But yeah, no, it was all good though.
Okay, fine. Naomi Veki be right.
Okay. What did you get up to?
Just working on this job that I said I got.
Yeah.
We started with the process, and
are you trusting it?
Yeah, you know why I'm trusting it?
Yeah.
Because I get to run it.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's certain things that I've always questioned about the auditioning process as an actress, where I'm like, what? Does it have to be like this? And also, it always seems like the audition process happens last. When the Kayonkinto, they will scout for locations, they will hire the crew, everything will happen. Pre-prod will happen. And then like a week before they go, oh, who's going to be in the movie? Which I'm always just like, that sucks so bad.
Oh, yeah.
So the show only starts next year, but we've got this time to sift through the things, get to see everyone. But abantu abazahambi izinto, you know, as ungazahambi auditions.
Really? Why? Because they believe the system is rigged.
Look, I'm sure there's a plethora of reasons, but that being one of them, surely. But other people are busy. Other people have other things that they're doing. Yeah. It's not everybody who can in day audition.
Yeah, but bayaphangela. 9 to 5. And essentially, it's like an interview, right?
Yes.
It's like an interview. And
Yes.
yeah, I mean, if there's interviews every day, you're not going to go to all of them.
I guess, but you don't get called to interviews every day. It's not every day they're looking for a black female who looks 35 to 45. Do you know what I mean?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like, from my side, I'm like, if I got this, I'd definitely come. But they're like, yeah, but I'm not doing much else. So, of course I'd come. But it was just strange to see out of the people that we'd initially asked for, how many actually came. And it was less than half.
Oh. Okay. Is well known as attend here? Oh, because also they're busy, man.
They are busy. This is the thing. A lot of them shooter, you know.
And uzabuhleli pa imini yonke kuthi efika ngo9 kuyodityana nayo ngo1.
Never.
So
I would never do that to human beings.
Lambe. Sometimes it's not you. Sometimes it's just
the process.
Things take long and there's people. And you can't say 9 o'clock, 9:15, 9:30, 9:45.
Hey man, yeah. So I'm happy to be on the other side of things and just to make things run a little differently.
Okay.
In a way that I've always kind of felt could be a little bit more efficient.
Sure.
Whether that is the case or not, we'll see. But I'm doing my best to make it a fair process. Someone said to me, I don't even know, I'm supposed to be talking about these things. Someone said to me, uzabaxelela the people that didn't make it, are you going to tell them?
Don't they tell?
No.
What? I know. Hi, guys. Hi. What? If you haven't heard from us in the next 3 weeks, consider your application unsuccessful.
No.
Is it that kind of vibe?
Not even. Akuthethwa needs.
Yo, sawubona ngawe. Sawubona ngathi.
Sawubona ngathi, that's Irish.
Yo, guys, a horrible low way and across industry. Right. Fine, kwezi bands together normal. You'll find that you'll get we regret to inform you. But also give me something.
Like
why?
what?
Is it something I said? Is it my experience? How did I express myself?
Exactly, so that I can improve. So that the next time I can actually get it. Or know by what I'm lacking in or whatever.
Correct, and know where to look and know where to fix. Ngoku, get the AI generated, regret to inform you.
What is this email about? Where's the improvement?
I better ungavi nix, man.
So even said, and then the person I was talking to was like, but you can do that. You can tell people they didn't make it because you'd like that to happen to you, right? And I'm like, yes, I'd love that to happen to me. As soon as bayazi, dingabe nditandas and fast and lambisa apa kodwa dala kufunyene. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Don't you have a lot of people though? Isn't the challenge the fact that there's a lot of people to say no to?
There's a lot of people, but there's not a lot of agents.
Okay.
So there might be 20,000 people and 20 agents. So if you send an email to the agents, that's all you need to do.
Oh, so now I send a generic thing.
I don't have access to the people. I don't have their numbers, their emails.
You send Sisa and Loy. Sisa pointers for Sisa. He was crying a bit too much. But yeah, he was not somber enough.
No, Kaloko, that's not always the case, Kaloko. Those aren't always the reasons. But
because the reasons verbs. It just wasn't a verb. Yeah, imisebenzi yafana, guys. Imisebenzi yafana just didn't gel. It just didn't gel well with us.
100%. In the off. How do you write that in an email?
Yeah. I know. It's all good.
Yeah, it's great power. It's great,
100%.
Great responsibility.
Yeah. And then I think if we are going to quickly jump into the closeness of it all.
The closeness of it all.
Dog. Closeness of it all, guys. We have ours and language specialist. Ubomi, you guys would have seen her on the previous episode where she started explaining to us Ndoza Mahlelo. So guys, we are also now throwing it over to you. If there are things that you guys would like to know a little bit more about that we can ask our specialist, that we can definitely take that and throw it in there. And we can kind of ask her to ask us, can you say, shed some light on few things to do with this course, obviously. And
linguistically,
I think, yes, and I think we can also get into the guys that are not Xhosa that watch our show. And thank you so much for doing that, guys. And yeah, we can definitely now have someone reliable.
What are you saying about us?
I'm not reliable. We can have someone reliable who we can ask and give us the right answers. So I think that'll be really, really, really cool.
For sure. We finally got our resident specialist.
Yeah, shout out to you, PK. We really, really appreciate you and the work that you have done and will still do for us.
Oh, waze waqeshwa ungazimishela. But congratulations.
Absolutely. And yeah, that for me is that's that on that.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think before we continue, if you don't have anything to add, then kufuneka siyazivengileni.
to the shops we go. With a one ad that features him.
Sneakers go through a lot, from school runs to weekend grooves to Sunday visits. Running out of solutions again? Introducing the all-new Walk Fresh Sneaker Cleaning Shampoo.
Thanks, Mom.
750 mils of pure sneaker cleaning power. Big bottle. Great value. Wow. Clean kicks for the entire family. Get yours today. Available online and at selected retailers.
Cool. That's a clean ad, man. I watch it every time I see it. Also.
Nah?
Yes. And I'm like, I saw it so way before that. Like, I've seen it.
Yeah.
Pandey Bukela.
Yeah.
Which
Have you thought about buying the product or what?
Dude, I want the product so bad.
Aha! Okay.
Didn't we buy?
Yes, we did.
We did.
We did on Take a Lot.
And you've got the stuff.
Yes, I've got the stuff. I've been using the stuff. Works like a bomb.
Oh, is it? That's nice. No, I definitely want the stuff because there's nothing I hate more than washing my own sneakers.
In the
Yeah.
And it's such a tedious process.
It really is. It's boring. And so I want to see by product that process not to be so tedious and not to be so boring.
Yeah, no, 100%. And I think just getting the right detergent, and I guess like just with everything else, sometimes you are using the wrong detergent or not the best detergent.
100%.
So getting something that's really, really great that works, always number one.
Okay. I know a couple of weeks ago I said to you, I wanted to continue with La Truth on Days Hasimdlala the other day.
Okay.
And so I just have a few more questions from that one.
Okay.
For you. And for me, I guess.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's play a game. Is it a game? Amanas games that was a wiki. Akho prize, kuthiwa kudlalwa igame, akho prize. There's no points.
Kodwa ngoke wawumncinci udlala upuca wese-18 prize.
Prize kaloku there was a winner.
Oh, you wanted to be a winner?
Yeah, something.
But we can't count points like there's no right answer.
Okay, but
there's only the true answer.
Okay.
Ufuna
Competition.
Okay, we'll have a competition. If you could swap lives with any of our family members for a day, who would it be and why?
Swap lives for a day. Ndingafuna uswapa nawe mna, to be honest.
What?
You can iphile le life yakho because I can't ask you life yakho. Okay, wavuka wenza ntoni ngoku? Ndiyarhalela man. I'd love to and simply based on the fact that like in our chats and in our experiences in general, you know, there's a few things that we absolutely see eye to eye, then other things that we don't see eye to eye, and things that I always would like to understand. But it also becomes so difficult to explain something that is normal to you. We understand when another person is asking you, "Nah, okay, ingenile imali waqomuza yitya yonke." Like, what about ungomso? What about ikwaito?
What about ikwaito? What was that? Also?
You understand?
Yeah.
What about ikwaito? And then you sort of would love to. I feel like it would bring a lot of perspective when it comes to a lot of things.
Are you confused
also,
about my life?
Yes. You understand? And also dispel any maybe frustrations, any feelings that I might have. And know that they don't last forever, they can change.
Oh my God.
I'd absolutely love to, just so that even if it would be to be able to talk then to you in a language as I understand that because I've walked in your shoes. I'd love to do that.
Yeah, perspective's not a bad idea.
Yeah. Even if it's for that. You understand? And nothing else. I just would love to experience the world through your eyes. Yeah. that I'd enjoy. I think I'd enjoy that. Maybe it might be frustrating or whatsoever, but
Yeah, you probably come back after 12 hours and be like, "Cut the
in my life,
cameras,
yeah, my dog.
cut the cameras, please." Which makes me the most interesting family member you have, then.
Absolutely.
I think I'd swap with whoever the youngest family member is right now.
You?
Who's our youngest family member?
I mean, in the wider family.
Yeah.
In the wider family, there are no babies, ne? Yeah, I don't think there are any babies.
Are there people younger than Mint?
No, they shouldn't be. I don't think so.
He seems to lead a great life.
Of course, any boy under the age of 10.
Yes,
living
and he's an
the-
only child.
The best life on
That
earth.
man is living on top of the world.
That's interesting.
100%.
Why?
Because adulting sucks.
Yeah, but you've been a child most before
Yeah, and it was great. I'd like to go back there.
and stay there.
Yes.
Now, if you swap lives with that person, you have to keep their life.
Perfect.
Uzawukhula mos.
Andizukula lo.
Kaloku you have to keep their life. Uyakhula yena so nawe ungakhula. Benabazali, unekureport ebazalini, ube nexesha lolala. There's all these things that you really don't want to do.
Structure sounds great.
Anyway. Oh, so essentially what you want, you want to uxhomekeka emntwini
Yes.
and have them tell you what to do.
Yes.
Oh, fair. I can do that. Let me parent you.
Ndizoxhomekeka kakuwe.
It's fine.
Uxhomekeka is also financially.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh!
Yes.
Uzonxiba ngantini?
Yeah.
Oh,
This is the whole thing. First things first, Ati. I'm going to CV. Mntanam.
Nice. You have two types of CVs. Actor and life.
That would be nice. It would be nice. Uxhomekeka emntwini actually and they
Yes,
tell you
yes.
what to do and ubona sekuphakiwe every day. Ubona
Yes, bakufika njani?
wena uthi I want the PlayStation.
Nansi PlayStation.
Linda, the worst answer you'll get is Linda.
100%.
Yeah.
But yes, okusalayo.
You're not a
Yeah.
care in the world
Yeah, this adulting thing is not cute.
for the faint-hearted.
No, it's not cute, man. You'd asked me what the cringiest thing I've ever posted was. Oh no, it was what's the weirdest thing I've ever Googled. Where's the other one now?
Lahlekile.
Silahlekile and nje ke ngoku ndiyalahlekelwa ke mna ke.
Ngicela ukubuza ke mna ke
Yeah.
logama usakhangela. I had a very interesting chat when we were in Cape Town. We were out for dinner with friends and we had a chat of saying if you were given the opportunity to know uba uzawucisha nini, would you take it?
Yes. What? Wouldn't you?
Okay. And then would you tell us? You've got 20 days or whatever, 2 years. Would you tell us?
No.
Huh?
Mm-mm.
Ungaphila uthe till the day that you
Uzobona ngami uphuthele hayi kanti usePakistan asimazi. Uphuthele.
What would you do? Would you do anything differently?
I would have to.
Like what?
I'd firstly stop going to the gym. I've
Talita! Oh, Talita!
got such gym fatigue. Oh my gosh. Today at the gym, I asked one of the guys who does boxing there, Ngati, would it be a bad idea if I stopped going to the gym now, depending on what January?
No. It's not the worst thing.
Yeah, but it'd be hard for me to come back.
That's the only thing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
you
would be
just-
absolutely difficult to come back.
mm.
But I'm tired of going. I don't know if my body's tired. I'm tired of going. My mind is tired.
Can I tell you why?
Tell me.
Because utimela noni.
Just to keep healthy.
Yeah.
To keep my diabetes at a reasonable rate.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is the thing. I'm to keep alive.
I'll always say, how fuck a goal, rocks. Work towards something over a period of time. Because, well, I don't know. For me, it's just my brain computes it ngolo hlobo. Ndangam, it's just 16 weeks. It's just 20 weeks. Then there's the thing. Then I do the thing. And then I'm like, okay, cool. Then I take a 2-week break. And then you plan the next thing. And then that helps, I think, with the fatigue sometimes.
I mean, I would love to do high rocks, but all of the stuff is so bad for my diabetes.
It's one day, man.
This is one day of an hour of bad.
Yeah. It's one day. I think
it's not forever.
Correct.
I guess I've always just thought of it as soon you. I mean, this is what we get preached to.
Siyashunyezwa ngalo.
Is that sunyusa iswekile yakho, because that's just bad, right? But this is the thing. Yes, it's one day, but the training is not one day.
Yeah.
So ndinyusa throughout these weeks as I train.
I got look for a trainer. You don't need to train as intense maybe on the running. But a lot of it must depending on what you choose.
I mean, it's cardio mostly.
Okay, but choose something else then, not high rocks. Choose something else. I can't help you. But choose something which works in line with what it is that you'll do.
Sure. No, you're right. I definitely need a goal.
Yes. And that's my thought. My whole thing is that having a goal also helps just your brain to say, hey, funny, this is not just, I'm doing this just forever. Just to, because that's such a far away thing. And it's easy to go for Nini Londole, because there's no end in mind.
There is no end. It's forever. Now my goal is for the rest of my life, Usana.
Yeah. I think it's hard for your brain to compute that.
Yeah, for sure. And that's like breathing. It's like having to actually think about your breathing and make time for it.
Yes.
But it's something that's going to happen forever. So ukuigcinga is not worth it.
No, it's okay. Yeah. No, absolutely. Especially something that you have to exert so much effort into. Like Uchima, you have to exert a lot of effort into that. You know what I mean? So try as much as you can to find either fun ways to do it or to have shorter term goals. But what else? What else would you change?
No.
Why is it for man?
I'm dying. Andifuna uva kamandi.
Okay.
Uva kamandi, ice cream cake. Zonke izinto engakwazi uzenza. Nditye dessert after dinner.
Okay.
Every day.
Yeah.
Yes, 20 days.
Yes, bro.
Then I definitely want to spend some time with the rents.
Okay.
Like jump off something high, exhilarating, go see things I haven't seen before and worlds I haven't been to before. And maybe try something that I've been too scared to try, not in an exhilarating way, but in with my career or something to do with my artistry that I've been like, I don't know.
Plot twist.
What?
Why aren't you doing all those things now?
Because I'm so funny.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. No, that's what I'm saying. That's not the reason. I'm adding to that because I'm so funny. I could be okay. I can't stop German. I can't.
Yeah,
eat
sure.
What I want.
Is negative. Stating is positive.
Is this where
Everything
we're going with this?
No. I'm just saying. Now we were having this conversation, right? And it was just a conversation, and I was just like, "Yo, imagine if you throw in a plot twist there, and now you're just like, why? Why aren't you seeing your parents more? Why aren't you calling your loved ones more? Why aren't you doing things that you are scared to do? Like why? Like zonke zindo that we now say because I know zindo. The things that really surface are the things that are really important to you. That you'd actually really like to do.
True.
And we don't do them. And we were just talking about how arrogant that is of us. Because now essentially what that tells us is that we think we're going to be alive forever.
Obviously, we think we're going to go to old age.
And that's not how life works.
When now, Ngatin?
I don't even know if I'd tell people or not tell people.
I definitely wouldn't tell people. Because then everyone's going to treat you like a patient.
No, but the right for in but 2027, color. But otherwise, I'm hundreds. Yeah, but I want the hundreds.
Yeah, but then people are going to want to be with you and spend time with you and stuff.
Okay, which is fine. All positive things.
But people are going to be sad. Usekhona.
No, why?
Have you met human beings, bro?
Okay. I don't know. I actually don't know. I haven't thought about that. Something for me to definitely.
You were there having this conversation.
Correct, but again, the plot twist. Because I was just like, it's not something that I don't know. I think I've got some form of a blocker as well. So it's not even something that I want to think about.
Are you scared of
What
death?
a weird thing. It's so weird. So final. I know.
It's a commitment.
Skip can skip him, no Buddha.
Are you scared of dying though?
No. I mean, when I'm dead also.
Yeah, but some people are fearful of death.
Pelelwe zingxaki. Pelelwe zingxaki. Shem, well, nizawukhubeka ke nina ke beyiloto leyo. Oh, mzubela. What was But it's not something that I'm scared of.
Yeah, I'm not scared of it.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm not scared of it at all because I'm just like, what? If I am scared, what am I scared of?
Exactly.
Actually?
Is it the way it happens, or is it the unknown of what happens afterwards, or like what is it?
What happens when I'm sleeping? Nothing.
Awuzuvuka uyikati.
Yeah, yeah. Well, so I'm just like, but yeah, it's just something. I think about the people that surround me, and I'm just like, oh man, oh, what a weird thing. So yeah, I haven't thought about it.
Yeah, you're not there to experience it. This is the thing.
Exactly.
So if it happens once, it's done.
100%. But yeah, in all of that, what this taught me is just how we just need to think about all of those things that come to the surface when we think about that, and see how can we do that going forward, or putting that into cognizance now in terms of your life. You know, wow, oh, okay, cool. These are the things that are important to me. Let me do more of. I think it helps.
Yeah, that's true. Oh,
Yeah.
That's such a hard thing to.
Yeah.
Because it's a no-brainer ultimately.
Indoni.
Bayenza izinto ufuna uzenza fondini. Ukhona ngoku.
Yeah. So yeah, I think it's definitely a thought that needs to be processed from time to time and revised from time to time. Sikele's man, we just continue with life. Life like we are but in a training and we are so not in control.
Why are you training?
Yeah, yeah, we're just so not in control. So I think it's just something to think about.
You know, this is gonna be a little bit dark, and can you please not like be sad about it?
Okay.
Excuse me. You know, this only happens to me when I'm here.
Did you cough?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Mama besiti. Futa, garlic. I was like, bro, it literally only happens here. But anyway, so I was watching Mam Zupela's latest video. If you guys don't know, Mam Zupela is
Nkosikazi kaBhuti.
Nkosikazi kaBhuti. I really didn't know what I was gonna say. No! And I'm full of Nkosikazi kaBhuti.
Squeeze wow.
Oh gosh. Umam Zupela ngusqueezer wami. Follow her on Instagram and on TikTok. Yeah, Instagram and on TikTok. Because they're doing a thing where they're taking you through the journey of preparing for this wedding, right? And then the last a video that you guys posted was, that she posted was of seeing the venues, right? And I was like, you know, it's such a wildly positive thing for me to see people planning for a future, like intentionally planning for a future. where I feel like my brain stops somewhere and goes, in 5 years, really? And then I look around and I go, what's going to become of this nonsense in 5 years? And so there's a positivity there that I envy, where I go, yo, uyakwazi ucinga ba in 5 years sobe sikhona, in 10 years sobe sikhona, and we must plan back kule ndawo sikuyo in those years. Kufuneka sibe right. Whereas like I feel like my brain blocks. Stops somewhere. Yes.
And you don't know where.
Yes.
You can't say it's 1 year, you can't say it's 3 years. It's just somewhere.
Yeah, it's just like surely this can't continue forever.
Sure.
Surely this can't continue for 20 years.
That's why you see keep pension. Don't because it's a block. I'm blocked.
I'm blocked, right? And it's crazy because I know that you don't think about it. I know that you don't go, I'm a positive person and I think positively about the future. Therefore, I'm going to plan for. It's not something you think about like that.
Yes.
But it's just something you do. Because you do have hope for the future.
Yes.
Because if you didn't, you wouldn't be doing half of the stuff
Correct.
that you do.
Yeah.
Did I be hope for your future?
Well, for hope your future. Look, I want to say it's something that's always kind of been there in me. But also it comes then from two sides, right? From also the side and the belief of we are not here to suffer. To work hard and die. We need to also kind of enjoy our lives. And how can I best try and ensure that I do that? So, i.e. via planning for the future, right? To make sure that all this suffering that is happening right now is not going to happen forever. You understand? Also, I think a push from seeing examples of futures that weren't planned for. Lives that have happened to people and not people happening to their lives, and seeing how that has turned out, and then doing everything in my power to avoid that. So learning lessons, not out of my experience, but through other people's experiences. But hey, I'm trying to unphone him now. But when the future does happen, I don't want to be underprepared for it. I don't want to suffer through it all. So therefore, the only way that I can do is to consciously build towards it. And the way that you build towards it is by planning and wanting things and planning for those things and trying your best to make those things happen. Ithembo loba kusasa indoda ingalantsika namhlanje kusasa iphinde ivuke. Tomorrow can always be better. So you can plan towards that to a certain extent. Plan towards it, work towards it. And also I think just you wanting to be around for as long as possible for your loved ones. Whether it be parents, whether it be friends, whether it be partners or whatever the case may be, but you wanting to be around and you wanting to be in the best possible shape financially, spiritually, emotionally, and otherwise. So that all builds into wanting to add into this future car and planning towards that. And also I think how I feel about death, but if God forbid then ndiqishile also. But it wasn't in vain. There's so much to be gained in the process of that. There's so much to be learned and gained and enjoyed. So for me, it's just about trying to make my journey as pleasant as possible.
Interesting.
Yeah. But if might as well try by all means to make it as nice for me as possible. And nice doesn't necessarily mean nice means I'm enjoying it. I'm having fun. Very often it's outside of Mali, actually. But it's that's what it is. And also the fact that I've been created to have a nice life. That God created me to enjoy my life. Yes, there's a part of that bargain that I need to hold up, which is trying my best to plan for it and not take it in vain, because there's so many people who don't have the things that I have, who wish that they could have them. So me not planning on how to take that into a longevity setting is also kind of low-key me being ungrateful. But for deserve izinto mna, so let me just ngizawubona phambili. No, I appreciate lendo, and how I show that I appreciate it is also by working on it as much as I can.
Contributing to it, yeah.
Absolutely.
Well, it's interesting to hear. It just makes me question how then do I change my frame of mind about it? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because iyavakala the way you're saying it, right? Because you're making it very practical and very, not easy, but like ivakala as something that is worth working towards.
Yeah.
But I guess, I mean, it's my mind. I'm the only one who can change it by changing the way I think.
And I think it becomes so difficult to change the way you think in a vacuum. You can't change the way you think in a vacuum. There's something that you need to put in place that will then shape the way that you think. So, for example, I would use an example of saying, what do you want in 10 years' time? What do you want in 15 years' time? That's easy to think about, right? Or not easy to think about. But if you think about, okay, at retirement age, it's all also then speaks to you wanting something. Wanting coupled with thinking or believing that you deserve this thing. Then the work kind of like the strategy formulates itself. It's just that no strategy is ever formulated without an end in mind. Problem here too is, we want to formulate strategies without having an end in mind. And that becomes difficult for your brain to compute that.
Sure.
Whereas if was out by funding in 5 years time ndifuna lendo, in 10 years time ndifuna lendo, ndifuna uphila ubomi obunje, ndifuna ukwenza into enje, ndifuna uba ngumuntu oso. That definitely helps, because then the jokes write themselves, or the plans write themselves rather. Then the plans write themselves.
Yeah.
But the key for me is ndifuna uba ngumuntu onjani, ndifuna ndoni, how do I see my life, how do I view my life? And then that gives you something that's there, and then you work towards it.
Same with the gym.
Correct.
Situation.
Because when you're working towards nothing, you won't get anywhere.
And there's no pleasure when you kind of fulfill one step closer. There's nothing.
You one step closer to what?
Exactly.
You're not anywhere. You're going nowhere. So I think there's very much, for me, that the thing before how do I change my processes, or how do I change my mind, is
What do you want?
And that's the most difficult question that you can answer. But because that, as I say, it's filled with a lot of things. It's filled with, do I deserve it? It's filled with, but doubts. Can I achieve it? All of things, it's filled there. And then we end up not saying basifuna ndoni. Whereas with the way that we're created so powerfully is that you literally can have whatever you want. You just need to want it. And get ungawandi into. Ufumana ndo. Ufumana ndo xa ungawandi into. Problem yethu siba trapped ke ngoku sifuna izinto ze social media. Okay. Unutya phakula restaurant in post. Ndifuna uya nansi ke ndifuna iepali ndiyoswinga phakula ndizalokhwe ezinde.
But that's something.
I'm a horrible human being.
But that's still something to work towards.
100%. But also, it's something to work towards. But is it something that you want?
Okanye ufuna uyenza nxa
Correct. Because what will happen is that you will work towards it, you will get it, and then you're going to be like, setting goals is work.
Yeah.
Goal
yomnyumba.
That you adoptile when feeling that it was going to bring you value. When actually, what brings you value is sitting in a park reading a book. We understand? And really getting to learn about yourself more, getting to learn about the universe more, getting to learn about your family members more. That's what brings you joy. It's just that we don't know. We know what brings other people joy, or what we think brings them joy.
Yeah, for sure. What they show us. Yeah.
You understand? And then you get to see abantu that you like, life lena. And then umdu are coming to suicide. Then you don't understand. You understand? And then you read later, I'm just telling you, under all this pressure that I'm in, And then you find out, hey, actually, let me to decide. Let me be that person. Yeah, so definitely for me that's the thing. No,
100%.
It starts and ends with you.
It's a scary thought, though, not knowing about Funandon.
Yeah, it's a very scary thought. But
At
we can't run away
age.
from it because it also it does. For me, it's like regardless of age, regardless of anything, it doesn't help you.
Yeah.
It doesn't help you get the best experience when you don't know. So the best favor that you can do for yourself is to kind of think through that and have that conversation. As tough as it is. Because now is uncover ghost and things that you think about, the really dark stuff. So okay, Londole.
Thanks. You've explained it very well. It feels easier than what I was thinking in my head. Even though I know it's gonna be hard. But there's definitely a question that's been answered in the back of my brain, not the question that I asked you initially, but in the back of my mind. But maybe this is where I'm going left, where I should be going right, which is very helpful.
I'm glad to hear it. And one of the really big things that I once heard or someone shared was that the problem here too is that we view ourselves through our own eyes, and that's so super dangerous for us because the human mind is so finite and a lot of the time. And the trick that they were saying that they use, or the trick that they were passing on to us, was to say, think of yourself through a person that really, really loves you. And really, really wants the best for you. Try and view yourself through that lens. And what they were saying is that, and the best possible way to do that is to find out the person that you, or the being that you believe has created you. What are their thoughts? And if you can see yourself through, he was saying, and something that I completely agree with, he was saying, if you can view yourself through God's eyes, that's when you start to see, wow, and it becomes less daunting. And you can still, with that one, you can still komegeka. There you can completely komegeka.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's nice. So okay. That's the big thing that I got from that, to say, but we think so little of ourselves and our capabilities. How about we go to if you're asking about imoto Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG to know its full capability,
Maybe Mercedes.
Mercedes. Go speak to the engineer that made it. He'll tell you, but you want this thing, it's capable of you so much. And then you are just like, I didn't know. Exactly. Go to the manufacturer. Find out from the manufacturer. And get nice, because manufacturers love notes. I know the plans I have for you. Plans to prosper you. Plans to not bring you harm.
I guess Abulela mfundisi sucks. Preach. Sana. I'm calling you.
The trick is to practice. We can no.
Practice what you preach. And ngosini guys ngosijoyina namhlanje.
You know ngubani game.
Games was there one question. This always happens when we play this game. Enough of this game.
It was 2 questions. I asked a question, you asked a question.
How?
Wangena left,
Okay,
what
fine.
about?
Win.
Andifuna win.
Isandla phezulu. Sibonisa ukuthi unqobeleni. Awufuna win, ufuna kuwina mali. Oh my gosh. Thanks, guys, for joining us. Let us know what you think in the comment section of the conversation we had today. The Ninja Jess is Tetileo as per usual, but this is the space where we share our thoughts with you.
Absolutely.
And you can do exactly the same, and we definitely appreciate that. Next week,
you know what it is.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see each other next week. It's been good. And the next time we'll be seeing you will be episode 100.
Boo, 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 boo.
Let's go.
Don't forget,
Love each other.